Hey guys, have you ever tried to do something and it failed miserably? I mean, everything that you were working on just went. Well, stick with me because I'm about to show you what not to do when rendering beef tallow and what it looks like. And no, I didn't catch the kitchen on fire this time like this, but don't do this at home.
Say it with me.
So a friend of mine gave me beef fat and trimmings to work with. So I cut it up and I put it into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Once that was done, I filtered with a cheesecloth and poured it straight into the jar. So here's a closer look at what it looks like even when you overcook it in an air fryer. Another thing I noticed is that there seemed to be liquid in it. This was probably because I thawed it out in water before I put it in the air fryer, adding moisture to it. So what did I do? I decided to go ahead and cook low and slow on the stove top because I thought maybe I did something wrong. That was a mistake because it only made things worse. In fact, it actually strengthened that overcooked smell. Another thing I noticed was, once again, the amount of liquid that began to separate between the two. But hey, at least the cracklings turned out well. Here are the 3 lessons learned. Number 1, do not use water to thaw frozen tallow. Use the refrigerator. Number 2, go low and slow in the air fryer or on the stove. 400 degrees at 20 minutes in the air fryer is too much. And number 3, filter it out more than once. Hey, do us a favor, drop us a comment below and hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel and it helps YouTube learn our audience. While you're at it, don't forget to check out these 2 videos. I'm Jimmy V with Becoming One, signing off.